The Criminal Investigation Department arrested Additional Secretary to the Ministry of Health, Dr. Saman Rathnayake, yesterday when he appeared before the CID to record a statement. Dr. Saman Rathnayake was arrested after recording his statement for over 7 hours. Earlier today, court issued an order remanding Rathnayake until the 14th of March, considering the facts presented by Deputy Solicitor General Lakmini Girihagamal after he was produced before the Maligakanda Magistrates Court. But at the time, Dr. Saman Rathnayake told court via his lawyer that he is willing to provide a confidential statement before the magistrate. The magistrate granted permission for the move and ordered for the suspect to appear before court on the 4th of March to provide the confidential statement. Accordingly, Saman Rathnayake will be remanded until the 4th of March. When the case was taken up today, the Senior Deputy Solicitor General told court that the Additional Secretary to the Ministry of Health, Dr. Saman Rathnayake, the 10th suspect in the case, was arrested over the charges of misappropriating government funds. The Deputy Solicitor General told court that investigations revealed that Rathnayake had a clear understanding of the emergency procurement process under the Indian credit line and had misappropriated government funds under the Ministry of Health to procure the controversial medicines. The Deputy Solicitor General said that investigations revealed that the 10th suspect and 8th suspect, former Minister of Health Kehelia Rambukwala, orchestrated a fake medicine shortage through fabricated cabinet papers to exploit an emergency procurement process, adding that this constitutes an illegal act carried out with dishonest intentions. According to the Deputy Solicitor General, the paper submitted to the Cabinet on the 26th of September 2022 warned of a critical shortage of 182 medicines in the country, potentially leading to a major health collapse within 2 weeks. But upon verifying the original file with the paper's reference number, no record of the 182 medicines were found. The Deputy Solicitor General told court that the very next day, upon the claim of such a critical situation, the 10th suspect instructed former Secretary of the Ministry of Health, Janakashri Chandragupta, the 6th suspect, to initiate an emergency procurement process for 285 medicines. The Deputy Solicitor General further emphasized that the 10th suspect fabricated a non-existent emergency, thereby funneling 28 medicines into the emergency procurement process. This act resulted in the misappropriation of a staggering 2 billion rupees of government funds. Additional Health Secretary Dr. Saman Rathnayake, who was remanded earlier today, was directed to the Mahara prison this evening.
6 months have passed since this fraud involving substandard medicines came to light. Yet, the Director General of Health Services has failed to conduct a thorough follow-up investigation or gather reports on the 3,000 people who administered the human immunoglobulin and the approximately 3,000 cancer patients given the antibiotic. We know that under criminal law, not only committing a crime but also expressing or implying support for a crime or failing to report it can be considered an offence. This lack of urgency in gathering evidence regarding this issue, which affects nearly 6,000 people, raises serious questions about the accountability of those currently leading the Ministry of Health.